India is a treasure house for mango varieties, and you know that there are approximately 1000 varieties of mango existing in India today, and how many of them do we consume? Namaskaram, I'm Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant, and your host on Manchan Mann. Did you know that this king of fruit originated in South Asia, and India is a part of South Asia, and from here it is that it has gone to other parts of the world. India is a treasure house for mango varieties.
Totapuri, Langada, Baganappalli, Malgova and Pairi, fat and short, thin and long mangoes to eat all day long. Mangoes, ripe mangoes, red mangoes, sweet mangoes.
Most of us are so obsessed with Alfonso or Apus, but there are so many other varieties. We can play a memory game with it. You know, Apus is one of them, but we have Pairi, Sinduram, Langada, Malkova, Baiganpalli, and the list goes on and on. By the way, various mango varieties have various nutritional benefits. Then it becomes very healthy for us to include a lot of mango varieties into our diet during the mango season. So are you inspired? 1. To use the mango peel, and 2. To go beyond Alfonso? Leave your comments below and have a very happy and joyous mango season.
Mangoes, ripe mangoes, red mangoes, sweet mangoes. Golden yellow round mangoes, juicy plump and sweet mangoes. Golden yellow round mangoes, juicy plump and sweet mangoes. Green and sour raw mangoes, fat and short, thin and long mangoes to eat all day long. Mangoes, ripe mangoes, red mangoes, sweet mangoes. Apus, Totapuri, Langada, Baganappalli.